Coming to the second question in practice set 4.1, construct triangle XYZ in which YZ is 6 centimeter, XY plus XZ is 9 centimeter and angle XYZ is 50 degrees. Okay, so first we have to draw a rough figure. So we need to draw a triangle here. What is the base given to us? YZ. So we write YZ here. What is the length of the base given to us? 6 centimeters. So we write 6 centimeter. Also angle XYZ is given as 50 degree. So if this is vertex X, XYZ is 50 degree. Also we know that this is produced to a point such that Y, and if we take this as A, so AY is equal to 9 centimeter. So we produce this, or we extend YX to a point. Okay, we said we'll take this point as A such that this YA or AY is equal to 9 centimeter. So we write it here. And then we join this A to Z. Okay, so now our rough figure is ready. Now we start with the fair figure. First we have to draw the base YZ as 6 centimeter. So we take the scale. Mark this as YZ. This is 6 centimeter. Okay. Make this 6 centimeter. Okay. Now, next is the angle. They have said angle XYZ is 50 degrees or angle Y is 50 degrees. We take the protractor, keep it at Y. See the measurement. Okay, angle XYZ should be 50 degree. So I mark here 50 degree. Then we draw a ray passing through this point. When we draw a ray, we put an arrow mark on the other end, right? After that, what have we to do? We have to see the distance AY as 9 centimeter. So, with the rounder, we take the scale and try to take the measurement on the scale as 9 centimeter. Okay, so we have here 9 centimeter. So, we keep the point of the rounder at Y and take 9 centimeter and draw an arc cutting this ray. Once we have drawn the arc cutting the ray, then that point where the arc has cut the ray, from that point we join it to the vertex Z. And we name that point where the arc is cutting the ray as any other alphabet other than X, Y and Z, because our triangle is named XYZ. So say suppose we had taken it as A in our rough figure. See here we had taken this as A in our rough figure. So we write it as A. Now what is the next step? This we will mark it. This is the angle 50 degrees. Our next step is to draw the perpendicular bisector of the side AZ. So we keep the point of the compass at Z and with the radius little more than half of the length of the side AZ. We draw arcs above and below the line segment AZ. Then from the point A also we do the same thing. We cut this arc here and also cut this arc here. Now we have to draw a line passing through the points of intersections of these arcs. So we are drawing this line, which is nothing but the perpendicular bisector of the side AZ. So once this is drawn, we said this perpendicular bisector will cut this side AY at a particular point, and this point now will be marked as X. So I mark it inside here since our perpendicular bisector is close by. This vertex now is the vertex X. Now the triangle which we have to construct is XYZ. X is joined to Y, Y is joined to Z, but XZ is not joined. So I join this XZ here. So the triangle is complete. So I've got a triangle XYZ as the required triangle. So now I complete it by writing down here triangle XYZ is the required triangle.